Nešto, znači on je angažovan na nekim ispitivanjima, pa on napravio, on je hteo da napravi sistem za vođenje laboratorije koja vrši neko to.
Okay, we are live, I think.
U celu materiju, poslušao u WordPressu. Naravno da je znao Drupal, ne mislim
Of course.
tako s tim.
Okay, so let's start, I think. Oh. One second.
Nešto ti to nam puštaš, neko to pušta.
You're live.
Yeah, you see it? Okay, I'll check.
Aha, ti to... O, pa ti to streamuješ.
Da. Okay.
Pa što to nismo najavili kao streamovanje?
Sorry.
Zato što komunicirate kako treba i zato što razgovarate između sebe kad se organizujete.
Okay, no, it's not right now. Hi guys, if someone join us. Okay, today I want to talk you about how to localize Drupal in your language. My name is Ivan, and I translated Drupal in Serbian, and I will share with you how to set up your environment to do it easily with ChatGPT. I prepared a GitHub repository for you. Here are some links for Chrome extensions, which you could use for seamless translation. I like dark theme, so we will install dark theme for Drupal.org, or at least emulate it. We will add Copytables Chrome extension for easier copy columns from tables, and we will use Tempermonkey to add JavaScript for Drupal.org to improve UI and some behavior with forms. And of course we will use ChatGPT to translate. So let's start. Why we need to translate Drupal in your language? First of all, not all people know English, and your language may be more useful for schools, for colleges, universities. Also, local businesses uses native languages, for example, shops, different stories for flowers, for example, dentists, etc. Government sites, any small cities use different CMSs for own sites, and you can utilize Drupal and translate it in your language, and it will be easier to use it. Also, different football teams and hockey teams use sites, and it will be easier for them if they could use it in native language. So how to translate Drupal interface? You can enable interface translation module, and we have localized Drupal.org. This site where you can suggest translations. For example, Serbian. I translated in Serbian. I actually suggested translation strings. So if you see, we select, okay, we'll find some suggestions. So you can see that there are different suggestions, and I think people will will approve my suggestions soon, and they will be available for Serbian language. But for now, it's just suggestions on this site. Okay, let's go. So I'm Russian, so it's you can find. Grab this. Thank you. Please. Thank you. Thank you. So I utilized ChatGPT to translate, but you can utilize it too. And even you don't know language so well, you can use ChatGPT and improve your language skills too. Let's start. First of all, we need this user CSS custom or user CSS plugin to add CSS in Drupal.org. If you see, my theme is dark, but if I will disable this plugin, it will be white theme, light theme. So it's good when you sit in the dark and translate from ChatGPT with dark theme, and you switch between tabs, and you will see the same dark theme. It's good for your eyes. Next, it's plugins Copytables. Let's enable it. You can enable and disable plugins. If you don't use it for now, you can disable it and continue working on what you're doing on your job. So this plugin does this thing. It allows to select column, so you can paste entire column. Also, I used custom CSS to remove some additional elements from the page. You see source text with this plugin. It allows to hide this text, and it shouldn't copy it with translation, because you want to paste only source strings without additional text. And for removing hidden elements, I used additional JavaScript. I used Tempermonkey Chrome plugin. You can find all CSS and script here in this Git repository. So just copy paste it for your page. Let's say copy this. You can add any, you need to add URL for each page. At least I found only this way. Maybe it's possible to have pattern for pages. What it does, sometimes it have a code tag here, and I removed code tag because it doesn't need to be copied with translations, and you can skip it. Also, I removed hidden elements. Let's say I will copy this page and show you what we have inside this table without additional JavaScript. So without additional JavaScript, you will copy entire, even hidden element will be copied. So, for example, this usage block show related products, and with additional JavaScript, you remove no needed text and will copy only source. From here, you'll copy. Oh, it's okay because it's hidden, but it helps, I believe. So also I added a protection from closing this page. Oops, I closed it. Maybe not here, but okay. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT and see how it goes here. I prepared a prompt for you. So what we need to put in this prompt? First of all, you need to suggest to translate, and you need to try make ChatGPT to force it not to help to you. I mean, if you put any text in ChatGPT tries to not only translate, it tries to structure your text, tries to add formatted lists, anything extra text with explanation. You need to add that you want to do not to add extra text, do not add explanations. Keep it as it is, and you can extend your prompt with your glossary, with your lexicon, what you want to translate, how do you want to translate. Let's start. So you can use Ctrl+1, Ctrl+2 hotkeys to switch between tabs, Ctrl+C plus Ctrl+V to copy text, and it's possible to do it with one hand to copy text and insert. And that's it actually. I added additional JavaScript to to trim white spaces and line endings at the end. So you can make triple click on your touchpad or triple click on left button on your mouse, and then you insert. It will cut anything from left and from right, and it will be clean text. And again, you can use tab to switch between translations, and shift tab to switch back, and Ctrl+2, Ctrl+1 to switch between tabs. And it becomes very easy to insert, for example, translations. I will not submit it then, but just show you how it goes. You shouldn't go with 50 limit on the page. You should go with 10 or 20, because when you try to insert 50 source strings, some source strings can be very long, and ChatGPT tries to help you, tries to structure text, tries to explain something what shouldn't do actually. So try to use limit 10 or limit 20. Actually, that's it. It's a very straightforward process. You just get translation and edit something and submit, and waiting for approval.
Will do.
Thank you. I don't know, I will check if someone else here. That's it. Do we have any comments? Ciao. Ciao, ciao. Okay, thank you.